friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest sticker haul. So let's take a peek. Alrighty friends, so I have lots of goodies. I haven't placed a big order in a long time. And some of these, like the Fern stickers one, I actually had for a little while. I was just trying to get caught up. So I have a few things, the rest of my May kits that I need. And then Orange Umbrella Co. had a ton of weekly kits that I just couldn't pass up. So I have some weekly kits as well. So I'm going to go ahead and unpackage everything and then we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with Saya planning first. I actually just placed this order, I think, on Friday night. And Saya and I got together at Saturday, April 22nd. So we got together today so that I could pick it up from her. And look at this beautiful little icon sheet she did for me. Isn't that cute? She's playing around with adding some new icon sheets to her Etsy shop. So keep an eye out for more to come. But I thought this was really sweet. So a bunch of books. And then I ordered, this is the Lemon Twist kit, and I asked her to print it with the Happy Planner monthlies and then the savings and sinking funds tracker. So I have a Happy Planner for my budget book, and it's combined with the Budget by Paycheck workbook. So this is kind of all I need. So I have a savings tracker here. There's an extra piece of washi down there. And then I have sinking funds. Again, that same piece of washi. And then here is the monthly sheet. So it's a Sunday start. It's formatted for Happy Planner, and they have their this month column on the left-hand side of the planner instead of on the right-hand side. And then you've got this beautiful rainbow of date dots. She does hers this way with 4 different colors. I think it looks really cute when you put it down in the book. And then there's some budget stickers, some stitched boxes, just some functional boxes, a couple of scripts, a couple of little icon boxes there. So that's one thing that Saya is great about. If there's a print or a pattern of hers that you really like, but you don't see it in your planner size, like maybe you wanted this in a plum paper or something like that, just message her, like put a little note in there and she'll work with you to get what you need. So I just thought this was darling. So this is going to be for my June budget. So that's from Saya Planning. Let's look at what I got from Planner Kate. So we'll start with her business card. So she always includes a card. This is where you can find her on social media as well as her website. And then this is her discount code, PKLove20, for 20% off. And then you always get a bunch of freebies. So here's this cute little striped functional box. And then this number up here should be the number of the sheet if you wanted a full-size sheet of the freebie. Here's some ombre check boxes. Some fun little doodle girls, some canceled stickers, cute little squirrely line, and then some scripts. Out to eat, inhale, exhale, organize my life, check. That's so cute. So those are the freebies. And then this is kit 421. It's actually last year's May kit. I used this as a weekly for Mother's Day, and I just thought the monthly was so beautiful. I wanted to use it again. So it's kit 421, and it's called To Our Moms. So this is for the Erin Condren, which is what I use for my social media. It's just an Erin Condren monthly, so I just need the monthly view. I loved all the coordinating functional boxes here because I'll use those to lay out my videos, and then the date dots, super cute. And then I did get sheet 2 for more boxes, so just more functional. These cute little icons here, I'll save those. And then this is for the empty boxes that aren't part of the month, and then a sidebar. So this will be May for my social media planner. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. And then next, let's look at what I have here from Fern Creek Stickers. So this is really sweet. This is called Beautiful Day. So I have here the Beautiful Day freebie. So some extra daily headers. These will be great for journaling. You've got April and May, which is nice. And then a bunch of different icons. I have here the sinking funds and the savings tracker because I'm going to use this for my May budget. So here's the monthly header for Fern Creek Stickers. Because she doesn't size for Happy Planner, what I found is if I do the plum paper, this fits up on top. And then because the days of the week are separate, I can just move the Sunday start over and put the this month over here if I wanted to. So I use this as the monthly header, and then I have the sinking funds and the savings tracker. So that's going to be for my May budget. And then I did get the March mystery kit because I just thought it was so cute. Look at this. This is adorable. All these cute little dinosaurs. This reminded me of my nephews, so that's why I wanted it. So this is the mystery freebie, this gigantic freebie here with all these cute little dinosaurs, a couple of scripts, some cute little zigzag lines, and then a couple pieces of thin washi. I like these big boxes here. Those are cute. And then you get a huge sheet of mystery doodles. These are great because I use these for all over the place, like as extras, right? So I save all of these. There is enough, like I said, for you to do 2 weeks. So you get 2 weeks worth of date headers. You get lots of habit tracker boxes here, and then a bunch of headers, and then a full sheet of scripts. Again, enough for 2 weeks worth of planning. 2 weekend banners, a bunch of tidy ups, to-dos, all of that kind of thing. So cute. I love the colors. And then look at the boxes. How sweet are these? And then little flags down here. Those are really cute. Roar. I just thought this was adorable. So sweet. And then we've got the decorative boxes in half and quarter. And then we have the deluxe washi. Look at how sweet. There's a little volcano there erupting. I thought this was so fun. And then this great functional sheet of labels. So the functional labels and then all the check boxes. So great. So that is really cute. I love that. Can't wait to use that. Okay, and then last but not least, let's look at all the things I got from Orange Umbrella Co. It's a lot, friends. I took all my stickers to show Say, and she felt the envelope and she was like, oh, this is chunky. I said, I know. But she did say I'd been good and I hadn't really been ordering a lot of kits lately, so I take that as a positive. So we've got here for the freebies, a couple of flower deco pieces, some scripts, some flags here, a couple of little sticky note icons, and then a little spray bottle. Cute. This is great for my cleaning page. So those are the freebies. And then let's start with kit 227. This is called Pretty Posies. So I've been doing the brushstroke headers, friends. If you watch my plan with me, I've been doing these pretty much exclusively. So I have those. I have the full boxes. Look at how pretty. I love this. This is what caught me. There's always like one box or one icon or something in a kit that's what draws me into it. I have the washi here. I love that. Look at how pretty that is. I bought the extra washi because I'm not sure if I want to use this for my Clean Mama. That's so cute. And then I have sampler sheet 1 with more washi, all of the icons, another full box, decorative boxes, functional boxes. I've got sheet 2, more washi, more boxes, some habit trackers, the scripts here, a couple of icons. And then this is kit 228. It's called Glitz and Glam. So again, kind of I use the same sheets. I love it with Orange Umbrella Co. because I know exactly what I need for the style that I plan with. So here's the brush stroke headers. I've got the full boxes. Look at how pretty this is. You can kind of see just a little bit of sparkle glitter kind of coming through. This is really pretty. And then sheet 1 from the sampler, sheet 2 from the sampler. So if you have just these 4 sheets, you can really do a lot for the week and you'll have leftovers, I'm sure. But even if you didn't want to do full boxes, like maybe you're not quite as decorative, you can do just these 2 samplers and some date headers and you're good to go, friends. That's what I love about their format. They got a really good format going right now. Okay, so 229, this is called We Remember. So I kind of thought this might be great for Memorial Day week, or I could also use it for 4th of July if I wanted to, but I've got the brush strokes. I really love this kind of deep cardinal red here in the brush stroke headers. I did get the deco pieces this time because I liked some of these pieces and all the stars, and I liked this corner piece. So from time to time, like I said, just for extra deco, I picked that up. Here are the full boxes. I love this. Isn't that cute? This is so stunning on that dark, dark background. Fun stars, God Bless America. I loved this too, our flag. And I did get some extra washi here. Again, I was thinking I could use this maybe for July for my Clean Mama, just having the extra washi. I kind of like that. And then again, sampler sheet 1. So more washi. I loved all the stars here. I love this cardinal red in here. It's so pretty. And then sampler sheet 2 with the habit trackers, more functional boxes, and the scripts here. So there we go. So that's that kit. And then I have here 233. This is called Summertime. So I have actually a monthly here. So I got the scripts, and then I always get this extra circle because I like this instead of the habit tracker. So this is for my plum paper, and I'll use this for May. Isn't this darling? I just thought it was so sweet. And then here's the highlights. So this is what I mean by I won't use this habit tracker circle. I'll use this circle instead. And it gives me extra flags and icons. So that's for my monthly. And then I did also get this in a weekly kit. So more washi here that I'll use maybe between the monthly view and the weekly view. The date strip headers. I love the Hello Weekend. That's so cute. And then look at how cute these boxes are. I just love this pattern. It's so sweet, so happy. Summer breeze. Lots of fun things. I love that these are non-directional, so I can turn them on their side if I want. And then sampler sheet 1. This is just so fun. I love the light contrasted with the dark. This will be great for my lower left-hand corner. And then sheet 2. This is a pretty washi here too. Again, the scripts, the habit trackers, more functional boxes. This is a great box for like a special occasion. So there we go. So that is 233 Summertime. So that's everything, friends. Let me bring everything back in for one last look. Alrighty, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.